This is Heston Cleveland
and Ricardo Love.
And this is the Indy Hookup.
The Indy Hookup.
Hook me up, baby.
We got the hookup for you. For show now. The hookup on playlist. The hookup on radio. The hookup on internet radio. The hookup on interview. The hookup on college radio. The hookup on information you need. The Indy
Hookup.
And welcome to the Indy Hookup. What you laughing at?
Hey,
man?
Ricardo.
Yeah, what's up?
Hey.
What's so damn funny?
You gotta give me an A for effort, brother.
What you talk about, Willis?
Listeners, check this out. This week we celebrating Ricardo's birthday.
Mm-hmm.
My man, my ride or die partner, we together till the wheels fall off.
For sure now.
It's his special day. This super producer is going to be showcased today. I tried. I almost got away with it, y'all. We have about 15 songs per show.
Yep, you greedy.
And on my birthday, I picked everything. So, in honor of showcasing Ricardo, I was picking the songs, because y'all, I have to admit, this is a dope producer.
Thank you.
And a lead guitar player, man. He could do some things. He also built the Indy Hookup. I throw the pieces out and he put it together. The graphics, all that. Oh, mixing, mastering, editing, website, putting your ISRC code. Come on, my man, he do it all. I almost had him. I picked 7 songs on his birthday, and I got greedy. I wanted to pick 8, and he caught it.
The nerve.
When I put the 8, I should have just left it at 7. But you know what? I got to show his wide range. He giving me 3 songs. But y'all know I'm about to say 4. I don't care, it's your birthday. Look. That man has done work with our girl Gypsy Love. Missing You. When I heard that song, it was on like 4 or 5 shows in a row. That right there, that one is dope. Then Nina.
Get it right, man.
Bad Habits. I love his guitar in that song. That song right there is a hardcore rock song. Y'all gonna like that. Then My Mama. That man remixed my mom's music. And I'ma say this one to see if he listening, because I didn't write it in. Make Love to Me, the remix, Ricardo Love's version. Man, that song right there, man. That one. And then I'm going to try to sneak this one in, y'all, but even though I know it's on there, Me Amor. I'm going to stick with them 4, family. I don't want to push my luck.
Greedy man. The
Buku family, everybody, we want you to have the best day on your best day. Love you, dog. So, let's get it. Show the world what we got. tell that man to tell them who we are. Enjoy your birthday, family.
The Indy Hookup.
And remember, before I was a radio host, I was a guitarist and music producer, writer, all that good stuff like that there. And in the process of doing that for all these decades, I accumulated a whole lot of material from a whole lot of other artists. And I finally just put out projects that I'm the artist. But I want to feature some of my favorites. And it's my birthday, June 25th. So this show is dedicated to the music that I played all the instruments on, mixed, mastered, all that good stuff like that there. And hopefully you enjoy it as much as I did making it. Here we go.
The Indy Hookup.
This is Ricardo Love, Mi Amor.
Mi amor, my love forever. Mi amor, I love you. I love you. I love you. You are my love. Mi amor, my love forever. You are my love. Ooh, you're the one I treasure. You are my love. Mi amor, I love you. You are my love. I love you. I love you. Tell me you want this like I do now. Tell me you want us forever true now. We can fly, we can soar, we can make this last forever. Do you believe in us, baby? Like I believe in you. It's true. Come on, let's do this romance now. Come on, let's do this love dance now. Come on, we can do this, baby. Come on, we can make it, baby. Come on, we can do this, baby. Come on, mi amor, my baby. You are my love. Mi amor, my love forever. You are my love. Ooh, you're the one I treasure. You are my love. Mi amor, I love you. You are my love. I love you. I love you. I know others have failed to do what we do, but don't you worry, baby. I have faith in you. Do you have faith in me? We gon' live this love forever and ever and ever. I believe in you. Come on, let's do this romance now. Come on, let's do this love dance now. Come on, we can do this, baby. Come on, we can make it, baby. Come on, we can do this, baby. Come on, mi amor, my baby. You are my love. Mi amor, my love forever. You are my love. Ooh, you're the one I treasure. You are my love. Mi amor, I love you. You are my love. I love you. I love you. Mi amor, my love forever. Mi amor, I love you. I love you. I love you.
The Indy
Hookup.
Up next, I don't want to love anybody but you.
I don't really wanna love nobody but you. I don't really wanna love nobody but you. Oh girl, won't you stop this playing? I feel that our love is straying. Are you gonna be going? Or are you gonna be staying? You got to make up your mind. This love we got to define. Is it sacred, divine? or will it die on the vine? Cause I don't really wanna love nobody but you. Make up your mind, baby. 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 Cause I don't really wanna love nobody but you. Make up your heart, baby. 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 I don't really wanna love nobody but you. I don't really wanna love nobody but you. Can't get nowhere without and fear. It will make love disappear. You got to believe in us. You got to believe in you. Got to believe that love is true. Got to believe that love is true. Got to believe that love is true. Cause I don't really wanna love nobody but you. Make up your mind, baby. 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 Cause I don't really wanna love nobody but you. Make up your heart, baby. 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 I don't really wanna love nobody but you. I don't wanna love. I don't wanna love. Nobody but you. I don't really wanna love nobody but you. Nobody, nobody, nobody. You have to make up the mind. You have to make up the heart. Do not tear us apart. Do not tear us apart.
The Indy
Hookup.
Up next, Janique Nina, Bad Habit.
Won't get down on his knees, she don't take no in between. It's got to be all or nothing, from the top of his head to the tip of his toes. Overboard, she gets tired of explaining. She always gets what she wants, and he's not accustomed to these challenges. They fight and they fuss and they go on, just like a bad habit. Just like a bad habit. Just like a bad she told him not to call again. Well, it's his fault. He won't give her what she wants, so she plays with his emotions, up and down and up and down and up again. And she won't let it go till she breaks him down, till he gives in. She always gets what she wants, and he's not accustomed to these challenges. And they fight and they fuss and they go on, just like a bad habit. She always gets what she wants, and he's not accustomed to these challenges. And they fight and they fuss and they go on, just like a bad habit.
Alright, let's mellow it out a little bit. This goes back to my times when I used to play behind the poets and decided to do a poetry album myself. This is Love Takes Time. From first glance to first conversation, from first kiss to first time making love, from being in love to the journey of our relationship. Love takes time. I thought that becoming the man I dreamed myself to be, that you would love me more. But you love me in spite of myself. You love me when I didn't love myself. Interjected new life into a dream deferred. Helped me believe in possibility again. Lifting my spirits. Wife, lover, friend. The next song is very special to me, not because it's the best singing song or the one I did the best instrumentation on. It's because it has a purpose for drunk driving and to stop it.
Please drink responsibly.
This is drunk in a Uber. No DUI.
But officer, I only had just a couple drinks. That's all.
Drunk in Uber.
I'm drunk in Uber. I'm drunk in Uber.
No DUI.
Drunk in Uber. Drunk in Uber. Drunk gonna dance all night. I'm 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 drunk in the Uber.
Meet me at the club.
Going to the next club.
Pulling up now.
I'm drunk in the Uber.
Drink on you.
My car at home.
No DUI.
I'm gonna dance all night. 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 I'm gonna dance all night.
Uber. Drunk in Uber. No DUI. Drunk in Uber.
I'm drunk in the Uber. I'm drunk in the Uber. No DUI. Drunk in the Uber. Drunk in the Uber. I'm drunk in the Uber. Going to the next club.
Party.
I'm drunk in the Uber. My car at home.
No DUI.
I'm gonna dance all night. 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 I'm drunk in the Uber.
Meet me at the club.
Going to the next club.
Pulling up now.
I'm drunk in the Uber.
Drink on you.
My car at home.
No DUI.
I'm gonna dance all night. 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 I'm gonna dance all night.
Uber. Drunk in Uber. No DUI. Drunk in Uber. Drunk in Uber.
Dance all night. I'm gonna 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 dance all night.
The Indy
Hookup.
We had to make what's old new. This is Queen Carrie Cleveland featuring our rule. Koya.
That you ain't true. My heart is just a game to you. Heart is just a game to you. I got a feeling that you ain't true. That you ain't true. It's all in vain, cause you playing games. You fly away, you don't stay. You fly away, you don't stay. Summer gone, spring gone, then you're gone. As soon as summer's over, you're gone like the seasons. Don't even give me a good reason.
I don't know why you feel like that. I ain't no dog out here trying to chase no cat. I've been honest and true. I ain't cheating on you. If somebody says I was, then I wanna know who. Why do you feel like you do? Do you think I should leave? If not, then baby, you just gotta believe I'ma treat you right every day and every night. And what you've been feeling, well, that can't be right. Yeah, I got my flaws and you got yours too. It's called being human, I'm just telling the truth. I got love for you, baby, I'm just dealing with stuff. I can give you what I have, so I hope it's enough. We've been together for years, had our ups and our downs. I can't imagine my life without you around. But I ain't gon' beg, that's what I'm not gon' do. I tell you how I feel, I'll leave the rest to you.
I got a feeling
Hess's favorite. This is Gypsy Love, Missing You.
When we first fell in love, everything was so fine. I was down for you, and baby, you were all mine. All of the love that we made, all of the time we gave, then things began to change. Now we're in so much pain, trying to understand how our love went wrong. Got me here crying tears, singing this sad love song. I'm missing you, I'm missing you, I'm missing you, I'm missing you. Without you, my world is so cold. Inside my heart is longing to hold you. I need you, boy, here in my life. Only you can make it right. Tonight, I'm missing you. Memories of yesterday linger in my mind, of all of the happy times. I'm needing my sunshine. Can we make this right? Don't wanna fuss and fight no more. Just wanna love you, just wanna bring you joy. Can we make this house a home? Let's forget all the wrongs we've done and come on back to love, because I'm missing you, I'm missing you, I'm missing you, I'm missing you. Without you, my world is so cold. Inside my heart is longing to hold you. I need you, boy, here in my life. Only you can make it right. Tonight, I'm missing you. Without you, my world is so cold. Inside my heart is longing to hold you. I need you, boy, here in my life. Only you can make it right. Tonight, I'm
The Indy
Hookup.
This is Tor Wolishin, looking for more soul.
It's not right till you can feel the music. I won't lie, I've been feeling this word.
This is Naru Kwana with Dear America.
Dear America, I got something to say. I'm gonna put it in this song. Hope you're feeling me. It's time for change. Naru Kwana, tell me something, America. Do you want peace or do you want peace? Willing to act now or just wait for Jesus? We too comfortable, but we must revolt. No faith in the system, so we don't vote. This is real talk, not politics. We out of order, y'all. I mean, the world is sick. Capitalism, that won't save you. Open your eyes up, gain a new point of view. Racist people singing the same song, like Rodney King said. Why can't we get along? Illegal immigrants, call them pilgrims. No love for the natives, so you killed them. Then you took their land. You think that we forgot? Open your shirt collar. I know it's getting hot. You point your finger at what others do. That only means that three more pointed back at you.
America, I'd really like to have a talk with you. Dear America, it's not just what you say, but what you do. Dear America,
we need a new flag, new anthem, new song that won't remind us of when you did my people wrong. New money too, minus the slave owners. We ain't forgot when you used to stick them dogs on us. Strange fruit on the trees. Killed if you ran, whipped if you tried to read. No reparations for 400 years. This country's built on our blood, sweat, and tears. Can't forget my native folks, they was here first. They live in harmony with the planet Earth. Now there's global warming, trash everywhere. Dear America, do you even care?
America, I'd really like to have a talk with you. Dear America, it's not just what you say, but what you do. Dear America,
Sometimes it feels like America is suffering from collective amnesia. They forgot their history of what they did to people all around the world. Now they wanna act like the watchdog of the whole damn nation.
dear America,
Wake up. Wake up. Dear America. Naru Kwana. Dear America.
We don't understand that we're dealing with an entrenched enemy that's both physical and non-physical. We're dealing with physical entities that seek to destroy and or subjugate or keep us in a second-class status. But we're also dealing with a non-physical enemy that's in our heads. We don't understand how deep deconditioning is. We don't understand that this is not a sprint, it's a marathon. We don't understand that it is not going to happen overnight. We don't understand that this is chess, not checkers. If we want to have things that we are owed, if we want to have things that we think we deserve to have, then you gotta put a system, a plan, a strategy in place so that that thing can happen at some point. A lot of us don't want to put in on a feasible solution because we won't be around or alive to see it come to fruition, come to fruition, come to fruition, come to fruition, come to fruition.
The Indy
This is Black Nova with You Don't Have To.
You don't have to beg no one to love you. You're a hell of a woman. Don't harden your heart, and I promise you, you're gonna get what's coming. If you remain a lady, a man will simmer down. 'Cause only a real lady can make a real man come around. You don't have to beg no one to love you. Relax your mind, man. You'll know that she's yours when she appreciates the ground on which you stand. don't seem like she's coming. Believe me, there's a woman who's fascinated with you, like you're the sands of a foreign land. Love is just like life, seems both are just a test. Gives you what you never wanted to see how you sort the mess. When you settle for less, those pains refine you to your best. That you attract someone like you to place your heart at rest. You don't have to beg no one to love you. You're a hell of a woman. You're as beautiful as these notes my man Ricardo is strumming. You're what dreams are made of. Believe me, he needs your love. Nothing will be right until he's resting his head on you at night. You don't have to beg no one to love you. Brother, just stay strong. A woman would be lucky to have a man who's striving to get his own. A heart full of compassion, plus you're a man of action. Protective, never bashing. You're what a real one's asking for. You don't have to beg no one, baby, not to love you.
This is Unique Nina with Believe in Love.
Betrayed, you feel misused, so disillusioned and so confused. Past loves have brought you nothing but pain. Your dedication was given all in vain. Now your trust is gone, your faith is gone. How could love that felt so right go so wrong? Honey, I know the things for which you've longed. Forget about the past, baby, we can make this love strong. Let me help you believe in love again. Believe in love again. Let me ease the pain of past lovers, yeah. Let me help you believe in love again. Believe in love again. Real sincere love, never pretend. All this stress has got your mind caught. But why don't you just fall back into these loving arms? There is nothing but comfort here for you. Ooh, baby, for you there is nothing I wouldn't do. I got your bath, your towel, your robe, your dinner too. And later on I got plenty sweet kisses for you. Whatever happens after, just let it be. Close your eyes, think only of you and me. Let me help you believe in love again. Help you believe the best of lovers and the best of friends. I will help you believe in love again. Believe in love again. Give me your heart, babe. Give me your heart, babe. Trust me, place your faith in me. I won't disappoint you. No love, my dear. Take me, sing to me, play for me. All I really need is this moment, and you close to me. You got forever. Ooh, baby, I'll take it. 'Cause without you, it's like wilderness. You're what I need daily. Heal me, free me, love me, hold me, make me believe. Oh, baby, oh, baby, oh, baby.
This is Blessed and Crystal with Every Day. I want to give you your childhood fairy tales every day. Make dreams come true and nightmares turn false. Speak into each other's hearts until they catch fire and stars gaze us. Not periodically, every day. Can we just sit next to each other? Maybe blanket ourselves in each other while we're vacationing in God's dreams and making light of dark situations. Perhaps holding each other tighter than the night sky holds the stars. Don't worry, I'm not letting go. I'm just baptizing myself in your tears, 'cause I need you like sinners need salvation. Allow me to pack, roll, and light your life story. See, I want to inhale your past and exhale our future. Take a bath in righteousness and dry ourselves in knowledge. Plant our mistakes into the ground, watch them grow into trees. Pick the wisdom from their branches and feed them to these children who have been raised on media rations and are still hungry. 'Cause I want to love you until your heart has forgotten it was ever broken. Until your eyes forget how to cry and your cheeks no longer remember what tears feel like. Can I just sit behind you and write the secrets to our love on your back with my finger? Then maybe hold your hand and walk down beaten neighborhoods and let them fall off, so little girls who have only seen mommy and daddy fight can pick them up and have an outline of how they should be treated and what real love looks like when it's written in emotion.
Every day, yeah. I'm not looking for the fairy tale, just a good man. Dressed in work-hard shirt, honest jeans, shoes you've committed to walk in, eyes filled with what you've put behind you and what stands before you came like my favorite stanzas. Hard but easy to love.
sit with me, love me like blues love Billy, like notes love music, like music loves keys. We be those feel-good melodies. I'm not looking for the fairy tale, just someone to lay foundation for forever. Pour concrete come trues with me, build families that birth communities, revolutionaries really free to shed tears, to believe in love. That will be our legacy. No fantasy, just every day, building a better tomorrow. You, me, every day, written between to-do tasks. Love him, love her, every day. I will choose to love you first, like I choose you. Over war, over poverty, over heartbreak, to fill these pages with our own stories. Without white dress, little woman hiding behind veil. I'm not looking for the fairy tale, just you raw, me real, every day.
Every day, every day, every day, yesterday, tomorrow, today, every day.
The Indy Hookup.
This is loving you the way I do.
This is a real beyond real, baby. I just loving you the way I do. The way I love you is just, caring for you, baby. I mean, it's beyond care. I mean, I'm trying to. Nobody loves you like me. I'm trying to find the words, and the words don't do justice. My heart is flying like a bird in the sky. It's soaring, baby. I don't ask why. I just multiply my feelings for you, 'cause they true. Wanna make you my boo. These feelings I just got to pursue. Don't you understand? You're in demand, and I'm the man that's gonna make you my woman. At least that's the plan. Nobody love you like I do, 'cause you are pursued. Let's create and renew. It's all directed toward you. Yeah, you know there's words and there's actions. I'm trying to I'm just trying to make you feel me on this metaphysical level. And it's not coming out right, you know. I'm just if we could just connect, you would see, you would feel me. You would feel me, baby. Take for this love to be unrequited. Love me better, write a rhyme and then flawlessly spit it. Yeah, even though I'm not a written MC per se, but I can spit. I had a bunch of love things I had to say, so I said, what about me? I can make a beat. Yeah, I think when she hear this, she gon' think it's sweet. Say, oh, that was so nice. Fighting insecurities that make me think twice. I can't let her rob me, baby, 'cause I feel it in my soul. I feel it in my spirit. Like I say, it's metaphysical. Caring for you, baby. I know the time has to cross over. Nobody loves you like me. To be synced. And when we sync, we gonna sync so perfectly. You know, I just had to make the first step, though. Somebody gotta do it. I'm the man, right? That's what they tell me, that I gotta lead, so I'm leading in love, baby.
The Indy
Hookup. Up next, can you see it?
Can you see it? What I see, what I see. Or am I just dreaming? Can you see it? What I see, what I see. Or am I dreaming? Just a fantasy. I'm feeling you like I never felt anyone before. Am I just dreaming? Can we make this reality? 'Cause I'm feeling you like a hand fits a glove. baby. It just feels like it's supposed to be. Can we make this reality? Can you see it? What I see? Vision of love. Or am I dreaming? Just a fantasy. Am I just dreaming? Can you see what I see? What I see? Or am I dreaming? Am I just dreaming? Just a fantasy. Sometimes reality is cruel. Things don't work out the way you want them to. No. Very rarely soul ties come together in the way it's supposed to be. Soulmates and such, yeah. Why does faith keep us away? Seems we always end up with the wrong ones. But this time, I believe, yeah. I have to believe through all the odds and bad experiences that love is real and that we can have it. I just need you to believe too. Can you see it? Can you see it? Can you believe it? What I see is real. Am I dreaming? No, it's real. It's not a fantasy. Can you see? I can see it. What I see. Can you see it? Or am I dreaming? I'm not dreaming. Just a fantasy. It's not a fantasy. Can you see what I see? Or am I dreaming? Just a fantasy.
This is Toro Willership. Did it to yourself.
When you see me coming, I can break bad habits, but I can't change who I am. I can walk right up and tell them they got nothing on me. I won't break if I can help it. 'Cause I admit it to myself, but not, and yeah, I don't need any help. It's a feeling, I did it to myself. We're getting feelings, we're doing it to ourselves. Yeah. I can be your lover, I'll make you wonder, yeah. We can overstep now. We can go a little faster, I'll move a little slower now. We are on a track now. 'Cause I admit it to myself, but not, and yeah, I don't need any help. It's a feeling, I did it to myself. We're getting feelings, we're doing it to ourselves. Yeah. It's a feeling, I did it to myself. We're getting feelings, we're doing it to ourselves. Yeah. It's a feeling, I did it to myself. We're getting feelings.
The Indy
All right, let's let's end it on something that shows my guitar playing abilities, where that was actually featured. This is African Queen. African Queen. Kakuma, African Queen. Tando, African Queen. Moyo, African Queen. Kakuma, African Queen. African Queen. Tando, African Queen. I love you. On this special Indy Hookup celebrating my birthday, June 25th. You can find out more about me, Ricardo Love, at ricardolove.com. Thank you, Heston Cleveland, for this dedication. Peace, love, and blessings. And we out.
The Indy Hookup.